Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that every veteran filing for VA disability benefits needs to understand: how to prevent your VA claim from getting denied, and what to do if it already has been denied. Whether you're just starting the claims process or you've already received a denial letter, this video will walk you through how to strengthen your claim and the steps you can take to appeal or resubmit if necessary. Let's start with the basics. One of the biggest reasons VA claims are denied is due to lack of evidence or incomplete documentation. When you file your claim, the VA needs three things to grant service connection: a current diagnosis of a disability or condition, evidence of an in-service event, injury, or illness, and a nexus or medical connection between the current condition and the in-service event. Without all three, your claim is likely to be denied. So the first way to prevent denial is to make sure you have a complete and well-documented claim. Here's what you can do. Collect all relevant medical records. This includes your military service treatment records, private doctor notes, VA medical records, urgent care visits, and any relevant imaging like MRIs or X-rays. Get a medical nexus letter from a qualified provider. This letter should state that your condition is, at least as likely as not, related to your military service and include rationale, meaning the doctor should explain why they believe there's a connection. Submit a completed DBQ, Disability Benefits Questionnaire, if available for your condition. These are standardized forms that help the VA assess the severity and service connection of your illness or injury. Write a strong personal statement. Explain in plain language how your condition started, how it's related to your service, and how it affects your daily life. Use specific dates, events, deployments, or injuries. If you were in combat or experienced trauma, mention that clearly. Include buddy statements from fellow service members, friends, or family. These can help verify in-service events or changes in your behavior or physical condition. Another common reason for denial is missing deadlines. If the VA asks for more evidence, you usually have 30 to 60 days to respond. If you miss that window, your claim might be closed or denied simply because the VA couldn't verify the information in time. Also, keep your contact information updated. Veterans have missed important communications simply because the VA had an old address or phone number on file. You don't want that to be the reason your claim is delayed or denied. Now let's talk about what to do if your claim has already been denied. First, don't panic. VA denials are incredibly common. Over 30% of initial claims are denied, but many are later granted on appeal. Here's your roadmap if that happens. Read the denial letter carefully. The VA must tell you why your claim was denied. Look for phrases like "no current diagnosis," "not service-connected," or "no nexus established." This helps you understand what's missing. File a supplemental claim if you have new and relevant evidence. This could be updated medical records, a new nexus letter, or even a DBQ that wasn't available before. You have 1 year from the date of your denial to file a supplemental claim. Request a higher-level review, HLR, if you think the VA made a mistake in applying the law or didn't fully consider the evidence. With HLR, a senior VA reviewer will look at your case again, but no new evidence can be submitted. File a board appeal if you want a veterans law judge to review your claim. You can choose a direct review, no new evidence, submit new evidence, or request a hearing. This is a longer process, but often results in favorable decisions, especially if you present strong evidence. Each appeal lane has pros and cons, so it helps to speak with a veteran service officer, VSO, attorney, or accredited agent to guide you through it. You don't have to do this alone. And here's something important to remember: don't give up after one denial. Many veterans have to go through multiple rounds before getting the benefits they deserve. Persistence and documentation are your best friends. Also, if your condition gets worse over time, or if you develop a new secondary condition, like migraines due to PTSD or sleep apnea due to weight gain caused by medications, You can file for an increase or file a new secondary claim. Keep your records updated and continue your treatment to show the progression. Let's quickly summarize how to prevent a VA claim denial. Provide a current diagnosis. Prove the in-service event. Get a medical nexus statement. Submit a DBQ if available. Write a clear personal statement. Add buddy or lay statements. Respond to VA requests on time. Keep your contact info updated. Be truthful and consistent across all your documents. And if your claim is denied, carefully read the denial reasons. File a supplemental claim if you have new evidence. Consider a higher-level review for legal or factual errors. Appeal to the Board of Veterans. Appeals for more complex cases. Consult a VSO or accredited rep to maximize your chances. That's it for today's deep dive. Remember, the VA claims process isn't meant to be easy, but you can absolutely beat the system with knowledge, persistence, and proper documentation. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a fellow veteran who might need to hear it. Drop any questions or topics you want covered in the comments. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your service. See you in the next one.